Hello, hello peeps, Mr. ATC once again back to you for another idea of housing, tree recycling. And today one of the goals for me is to present to you one of the new partner, new sponsor that we have for this week video. As you may have seen it in the video I've shared with you yesterday, I've been talking about Clean My Island. Clean My Island in French of course, but I've decided to share with you an English version of it and to speak in English in order to explain to you what they are doing, because what they are doing on this island is amazing, just amazing. Remember that I told you that my goal with this channel is to show you what we can do with recycled materials, with trash basically. So Clean My Island is acting prior that, and what they are doing is bringing people together in order to clean the island in a very, very nice way. As you can see in the different videos that they are sharing on their channel, they are doing things on a weekly, monthly, and even yearly basis sometimes with different administrations, showing people that we can do things together. In the next sequence, I will be showing you one of the videos where they are cleaning one of the places on the island that hasn't been cleaned before. So it's a very big project going on here all around France and also here in Guadeloupe.
Well, this is the big bad Admiralty. Five bilang bilang bang bilang bilang bang bilang bilang bang bang. Five bilang bilang bang bilang bilang bang bilang bilang bang bang. Hey, nuga way, nuga way, nuga way, nuga way, nuga way, nuga way, Nessa. Hey, nuga way, nuga way, nuga way, nuga way now. Let me hear everybody sing. Jolly Congo, Jolly Congo, Jolly Congo, Jolly Congo.
As you can imagine, I'm very glad to bring our entire community and take part of it. And I'm very, very happy to collaborate with this organization. In the future, we will be doing even much more on this island. As usual, taking trash and transforming it into something beautiful. As always, that's the main goal of this channel. So I would like to give a big thanks to Maxime, Olmar, Stephanie, and Charlotte from the Clean My Island team for bringing us into this adventure with them. I would also like to take this opportunity to give a big thanks to the active members and the new members in our community, because you are the true essence of what I'm doing. You like to see what I'm doing and you are showing me that love every day, and I'm very happy about that. I will first start with an active member in our community, which is Ashish from the Crazy Couple channel. Very nice to have your input on the different projects that I'm sharing with you. As you can see, I'm very involved into some project here in Guadeloupe, but it's always nice to have your input and your opinion about the different projects that I'm presenting here. The next member I would like to highlight is Melissa Turner in the US, I guess, giving us a big warm-up, a big dedicace for the DIY wooden bench on the channel. As you could see it here, Melissa has been very happy to see how we've been able to improve and to renovate this chair, this wooden chair in the Netherlands, and I'm very happy, Melissa, for your comments. Thanks a lot, and as usual, if you have any questions for us, feel free to come back to us. Alright, the next one, which is Eric Vard. Eric Vard, thanks a lot for your comment on the, what was it? On the page itself, because he told us that this page, this channel is very great, and I'm very happy to hear that. It's always nice to see that you are bringing a plus in people's life, you know? So, Eric, thanks a lot, and I hope that you will like what you will see in the future. And last but never the least, we start having some people, a lot of people I have to say, in French, commenting and letting us know that what we are doing here on the island is amazing. So I would like to give a big thanks to Jean-François Cadotte and Vanessa Mann, which is someone that I know very closely. So Vanessa, Jean-François, merci beaucoup pour le support que vous nous emmenez. Comme vous avez pu le voir, j'essaie d'emmener le recyclage à un autre niveau ici, en Guadeloupe. Le travail il est bien sûr très long, mais on est là et on fera de notre mieux pour pouvoir arriver au but. Voilà. Alors Vanessa, Jean-François, merci encore et je vous dis à bientôt. Guys, as I was telling you, and as you may have seen it in the past videos, I'm always taking the time to say thanks, you know. Thanks to the members of the community, thanks to the people following us, because they are the one helping us to grow this community. They are the one helping us to you know, touch other people around them, you know, create a very nice community, a community that is there to change our own habits, because as you can see, I'm not the only one who will be able to change things. We need to do it together, as the example of Clean My Island, the sponsor and partners that I was showing you earlier. So guys, it's a lot of work, as you can imagine, it's a lot of things to do, and as you may have seen, I'm always involved into different recycled projects and things like that. A big thanks to those sharing our videos, because I know that it's not always easy when I'm explaining in French or when I'm explaining in English, but I'm doing my best for you to understand what I'm doing and what I'm saying. Alright, as usual, that was Mr. ATC for Nos Ideas of Housing through Recycling. Monsieur ATC pour une autre idée du logement à travers le recyclage. If you are new to our community, feel free to subscribe just right here. Then click on the bell to receive a notification every time I'm sharing new content with you. And I will see you next time.